Hello Java aspirants. In this video, we are going to continue with the previous topic, that is Java programming swing. I recommend to watch first part of this topic before starting on this video. So let's start. What is radio button? A radio button represents that only one can be selected from a group of buttons. If we want to create a button, these are the constructors. First one is JRadio button. This creates an initial unselected radio button with no set text. Another constructor, if we want to create a radio button where properties are taken from the actions applied, then we need to write JButton parameter action A. If we want to create an initially unselected radio button with the specified image but no text, then we need to write JRadio button and we need to pass image icon. If we want to create a radio button with the specified image and selected state but no text, then we need to write JRadio button image icon and we need to select the state. If we want to create a radio button that has the specified text and image and that is initially unselected, then we need to write JRadio button and parameters we need to pass label and icon. If we want to create a radio button that has the specified text, image and selection state, then we need to write JRadio button and we need to pass all the three parameters, label, icon and the selected state. So this is all about radio button. Next is look and feel of components. Java Swing API provides pluggable look and feel, PL and F, capability that allows Swing UI widget to change appearance based on the programmer customized look and feel settings. There are three types of look and feel available. First one is metal look and feel, where for getting metal look and feel we need to use java.swing.plaf.metal look and feel. Second type is motif look and feel. For getting motif look and feel we need to write com.sun.java.swing.plaf.motif look and feel. And the third type is window look and feel. For getting window look and feel we need to write com.sun.java.swing.plaf.window.windows look and feel. And after this we should update the content on the content pane as swing utilities.update component tree UI, and we need to pass parameter C which represents the content pane. Another topic is JTable class. JTable class is useful to create a table. A table represents to display the data on two-dimensional table of cells, that is row and column. To create a table, following constructors are used as JTable, which creates a table with empty cell. If we want to create a table with the specified data, we need to write constructor as JTable object rows and object columns. And some of the commonly used methods are, to know the number of rows, we need to write int t equal tab.getRowCount. If we want to know the number of columns, we need to write tab.getColumnCount. If we want to set the row heights of a table row, we need to write tab.setRowHeight. Next one is JTabbedPane Class. A JTabbedPane represents a frame with tabs attached to it. JTabbedPane is useful to create a tabbed pane such that on the each tab sheet a group of components can be added. You can see in the figure. To create a tab pane, we have to create an instance of JTabbedPane class as JTabbedPane JTPane equal new JTabbedPane. This creates an empty JTabbedPane with default placements of JTabbedPane.top. The placement specifies the division of JTabbedPane. Another way is JTabbedPane JTPane equal new JTabbedPane and we need to pass parameter placement. This creates a JTabbedPane with specified placement that is passed as an argument to the constructor. The various placements of JTabbedPane are JTabbedPane.top, JTabbedPane.bottom, JTabbedPane.left and right. Some of the commonly used methods are to add various tabs to it using the add tab method of JTabbedPane class as JTabbedPane.add. We need to pass title and object, JTPane.addTab, title, comma object. Another one is JTPane.addTab. In this we can pass title, image icon and object. Here title represents tab sheet title and object represents a component or it may represent a group of components collectively. If we want to remove a tab and its component from the tab pane, we need to write JTPane.remove tab at, and we need to pass index. Another one is Jsplit Pane. It is used to create a split pane which divides two components. We can see in the figure. To create a split pane, we need to write Jsplit Pane, Jspane equal new Jsplit Pane, and we need to pass orientation and components parameters. Some of the following methods are: if we want to set the divider location between the components, we need to write jspane.setDivider location in pixel. If we want to get the top or left component, we need to write jspane.getTopComponent. If we want to remove the component at the specific location, we need to write jspane.remove, and int index parameter we need to pass. Next one is JTreeClass. JTree is a swing component with which we can display hierarchical data. JTree is quite a complex component. JTree has a root node, which is the topmost parent for all nodes in the tree. A node is an item in a tree. A node can have many children's nodes. These children's nodes themselves can have further children nodes. If a node does not have any children node, it is called a leaf node. So how to construct a tree? We can write a constructor JTree JT equal new JTree, and we need to pass the root. Here root represent root node of the tree from where other nodes will span. We can also create a tree by passing hash table object that contains key and value pair to the JTree object as JTree JT equal new JTree, and parameter we need to pass hash table object. Also, we can create a tree by passing vector object that contains other objects of the JTree object as JTree JT equal new JTree, and we need to pass vector object. And some of the following methods are: to add the node to the root node as root.add, and we need to pass node. If we want to find the path of the selected item in the tree, then we need to write tree path tp equal ts.getNewList path. Another one is Jcombo Box. Jcombo Box class is used to create the combo box with a group of items which are displayed as a drop down list. At a time, only one item can be selected from the item list. Commonly used constructors of Jcombo Box class are Jcombo Box, Jcombo Box Array item. Another way, Jcombo Box, we need to pass vector item parameter. And the commonly used methods of Jcombo Box class are public void add item parameter object and object. It is used to add an item to the item list. If we want to delete an item from the item list, we need to write remove item and parameter object and object. If we want to remove all items from the list, we need to write remove all item method. If it is used to determine whether the Jcombo box is editable, then we need to write set editable, and we need to pass parameter boolean be like true or false. And if it is used to add the action listener, we need to write add action listener, and we need to pass the action listener parameter. And another one is add item listener, and we need to pass item listener. It is used to add the item listener. Next one is JList class. The class JList is a component which display a list of objects and allow the user to select one or more items. Commonly used constructor are JList, which construct a JList with an empty read-only model. Another constructor JList and passing data model parameter. This constructs a list that display elements from the specified non-null model. Another constructor JList object list data. This constructs a JList that display the element in the specified array. And another way, JList vector list data. This constructs a JList that display the elements in the specified vector. And some of the methods are: to know which item is selected in the list, we can write object item equal list dot get selected value. If we want to get the index of the selected item into an array, we need to write int array equal list dot get selected indices method. So this is JList. We will discuss more about Java Swing. Please continue my third part of this topic in my another video, Java Programming Swing Part 3. So thank you for watching this video. Please keep watching my more videos to learn Java in an easy way. You can send me an email for any query to my email ID goforelearning@gmail.com. Thank you.